So this is just a quick little teaser video for my air ride. This is a 3-piece system from Airlift. And I do have some tweaking to do. The back can go down a little bit farther. That's pretty far, that's as low as the front can go, I think. But I got some tweaking to do for the compressor, for the whole system. Just kind of wanted to show you the build. It's almost finished. It's very close. It's not the easiest thing to do, but I'm taking my time to make sure it's done right. Hope you enjoy it. The install videos coming soon. Dang, man. You're gonna scrape your battery.